In this guide, you will learn how to disable automatic restrictions on Discord. Follow these steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface next to your username. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, find the Privacy and Safety tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access the privacy settings related to your account. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Scroll down to the section labeled Server Privacy Defaults. Here, you will find options related to automatic restrictions. Toggle off any settings that apply automatic restrictions to your account. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure that you save any changes if prompted. You can now exit the User Settings menu and continue using Discord without automatic restrictions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Discord account. Enjoy a more customized experience.